How to make your Facebook name invisible. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Facebook name invisible. So to do that, what you can simply do is launch your Facebook application. Make sure that you have installed the latest version so that you won't miss out on any new features. When you go on your profile, you can see your name like this. But you want to make it invisible, so go on the top right side with three vertical lines, tap on the gear option, which is the option of settings. Now tap on see more in account center, tap on profile option, tap on profile option. Now you will see the option of username right here. Changing your username will also change your Facebook profile URL, it says. So you can change your username just like that. Just make everything blank right here and choose any words on the last, and by doing so your username can simply be changed. Make sure the characters are valid because this will be your name after you change the name. Now go on the name option. So make sure that you delete all the first name, and on the second name, on the first name, what you can simply do is type something and just give a space option, and on the last as well type something and give a space option right here. If you have a nickname, then if you do this and tap on the review change option, then your name will be changed for total 60 days, and the nickname of your will be shown on your profile picture, and just like that your name will be changed. If it does not help you, then what you can simply do is go and report the problem that you cannot change your name. So if you report the problem, the Facebook will give you a feedback around 2 to 3 days and your problem will be solved. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.